Okay, Joe, this is a little explanation of what I got here. This is the pay period. This is the master. This is where, for the whole year, let me make it smaller so you can see. This is how they do it. That's why I got the yellow and the red. You can see the holidays are peach, holiday work. So it's blue in here, but there's actually a letter in there, D or D8, and these are nights. So the yellow is where they have the bump weeks, and each one of these is a pay period. So there's 28 of them. These two from the year before, these two, and then from there forward is the next 26 pay periods of the year. And it's 14 on top and 14 on the bottom. And then over on the pay period, you hit what pay period end date you want, and that'll go from that schedule and get it from over there, whatever pay period your end date. So I want to put a button over here. When they click the button, it'll bring up user form 2, which will be this form, and you'll see it's set up like the pay period chart. I put the dates in here, the labels. So I have these labels, so if I run it, I'll run it right now so you can see. Ah, darn it, where was I at? Let's tell me forward without next. Run. Forward without next. Where is that at? It's going to be up here. 4B. Oh, take this C out.
Here's my puppy, Joe. My puppy.
Hold on, let me do it. Okay, I'm going to take that C out, take this one out because I was doing something. So now I run it. Ah, now it ain't even working. Now I'll take these out. I'll just take these out. This is something wait a minute, because it was working. Now it's not working. For B, 7 and 608, me controls label 10. C. Okay, next B. That should work. What the hell? It was working before I left. I don't know what the difference is. Let me see here. Well, I do 77. Let me do the 90. And then let me change this to row 10.
Here's my dog's farm.
And this will be, let me change this. Okay, B minus 74. Because I want it to end up with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when it goes up to there. So let me see. Okay. Now, you'll see here on Sherrard, that's what I just changed right there. So that puts his in there. Nights, nights, days, 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 nights. Okay. Now, this one I did this way. I'll show you how I did that. Okay. This is operator 1. First row, second row, third row. And I didn't want to do this all the way down for 20 operators. So now I started on operator 2, which is Sherrard. And I got 77 to 90 because that's label 77 to label 90. And then I use, it starts at row 10, and cell 3, so if I go to cell 3, 77 minus 74 gives me cell 3, and then when it goes to next B, 78, I want it to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, and so on. And then I would want it to go to row 11, and then I want to skip, let's go back here. So I want it to go see receiver row 10, 11, skip 12, 13, 14, skip 15, and so on. Because when you look at the form, I want this to be input. I want to input data for if they change the schedule, right? Okay, that's going to cover all 20 operators. So you can see when you run it, they can look at, it'll put in the dates up here, and then they can go to whatever person, and if they change the schedule, change their schedule, they can put the changes in here. Overtime nights 12. Okay. And then I'll have to make a button to, on here, update schedule or something, and put this value in there. Okay. That's basically it. Okay. Close this, save. Okay, now I can stop this recording.
Cut.